Okay, I have very important question.
Go ahead.
Why you use this machine?
To lift the texture up, first of all.
Okay, stop machine. Why you, what is this?
This is a carpet, and this is what's in the carpet. Those are dead skin remains, texture from your clothes, from your socks, from your shoes. If you've got dogs, cats, any animals in the house, any pets, that's the fur as well. So what does this machine does? Goes into the base of your carpet for roughly about, let's say, 1.5 centimeters, taking everything out.
Okay, so everything, dust, rubbish, dirt is coming from on the top?
No, from the bottom.
Ah, yeah, okay.
You would never be able to get it out yourself with any hoover you use at home.
Okay, so that one is, yeah, is dog.
Yeah, there's more of it.
So everything in the bottom is dust.
You can even tell the breed of the dog.
Oh yeah.
It was a Caucasian.
Okay, so thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Start work.
Give it a go.
Delicious. Because only washing carpets if somebody has dog or pets at home, so just cleaning fresh, not deep, yeah? Well, it's not. So you will use only normal hoover for carpet cleaning, not use this machine. So its job is not very perfect.
You're absolutely correct. You can only take the top layer, which is a couple of millimeters, but whatever sits inside, it sits inside. Look, all of this, what you've seen on the video, that's from one carpet.
But I see it start work and this carpet is not dirty.
It's not.
But
most of the stains which were visible at the start, which will look like a dirt, they were actually not a dirt, because they remains.
yeah, okay. So now start washing carpet.
No, now taking a coffee break.
Ah, yes, coffee break. Okay. See you soon.
I'm done washing.
Okay, so now the carpet is from rubbish, is clean.
We keep that now. See, it's ready for, finally ready for cleaning. But what's one important thing? None of you.
Okay, so now I'm watching you working.
You want to work, and I say one thing. A lot of people don't do this. So you have to.
Okay.
Very important thing.
Okay. Yeah, and now?